So we are truly grateful to our special guest, Mr. Marjon Desweco, our Regional Administrator, Mr. Albert Dacoles, Area Administrator, and the entire ASA Philippines Foundation team for their generosity and support to our school and community. Your presence and assistance today are a true reflection of compassion and commitment to the welfare of our learners and their families. So this activity is more than just the giving of supplies. It is a reminder that when we work together, we can build a healthier, safer, and more caring community. So as the Brigade Coordinator, I am proud to witness how partnerships like this make a real difference in the lives of our pupils. Once again, thank you to ASA Philippines Foundation, our guests, and everyone who made this event possible. May this day inspire us to always alive. Thank you and welcome everyone.
This event would not be possible without the continuous efforts and support of ASA Philippines Foundation. This is my first message from Mr. Marjon
Good afternoon to the staff and faculty and staff of Pinangunan Elementary School. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your warm welcome, Mrs. Staff. And then, of course, I would like to acknowledge my staff, of course, from microfinance officers, si Ma'am Mavi, si Sir Stephen, and si Sir Jason, na sila po yung staff ng Biliran Branch. Andito din po yung mga assistant branch manager and branch manager of Biliran Branch. Si Ma'am Christine. Si Ma'am Christine po, siya po yung branch manager ng Biliran. Andito din po kami yung assistant branch manager of Kaibiran Branch. Si Sir Rian Kabudlay. And then nandito din yung branch manager ng Kaibiran, si Ma'am Charmaine Nylon. And of course, branch manager of Kabukgayan Branch, si Ma'am Eunice naman. Ayan. And then, nandito din po yung area administrator ng Biliran 1. Hawak niya po kami yung Kulaba Branch, Kaibiran Branch, Kabukgayan and Biliran Branch, si Sir Albert. Dacoles naman, si Sir Albert. Ayan. And then, naalala ko lang nung kabataan ko, naalala ko nung grade 1 ako, kung alam niyo na yung plastic ba, yung plastic na stripe, yung pula at saka puti, yan yung dating bag ko lang actually nung grade 1 ako. No? And then, ngayon naalala ko lang na parang naging instrument kami no, as part of ASA Philippines, na kami naman yung magbalik dun sa mga estudyante, no? Especially dito sa Pinangunan Elementary School, no? Na nakaka-proud, then naging instrumento nga kami dito sa na makatulong din sa mga estudyante. Actually, yung clients community service naman ni ASA Philippines, hindi lang naman kami nakafocus doon sa mga distribution ng school supplies at saka hygiene kits. Meron ho kaming mga ginagawa din aside dito, no? So, actually, sa ngayon ho year, mostly, nagbibigay kami ng school supplies at saka hygiene kits. And then, meron din kami mga food package dun sa mga senior citizen, no? So, napili din namin na barangay. And then, meron din kaming mga tree planting activities, mangrove planting activities, and then meron din kami mga cataract operations, meron kami mga cliff palate operations. Ang dami pa po namin ginagawa, no, aside dun sa mga ginagawa namin ngayon ho dito. No, so hopefully ang mga learners ho na Pinangunan Elementary School is magiging mas masipag pa no, sa pag-aaral, since meron kami ibibigay sa inyo ng mga school supplies at saka hygiene kits, at the same time meron din kami mga sleepers doon. No, kasi sa mga nakikita namin minsan, no, pag dumadaan ho kami, minsan yung mga bata is nag-ano lang nakapaa, no, so walang mga chanelas, no, so ito po ay handog po ng ASA Philippines so para sa mga learners ng Pinangamuhan Elementary School. So yan lamang po. Thank you so much.